If you want to sign out of your Roku account that's linked to your Roku TV without resetting it, then I'll show you how easily you can unlink your Roku TV and remove your Roku account in less than a minute. You won't be able to log out of your Roku account from the Roku TV. So instead, open a browser on any of your devices, then go to my.roku.com, then log in using the same account that you're using on your Roku TV and verify your sign in. And after you're logged in, you should be on the My Accounts page. Now you need to scroll down to My Linked Devices, select your Roku TV that you want to unlink and remove your account, then simply select Remove Device. You'll get a confirmation prompt, just scroll down and tap on Unlink again, and as soon as we do that, our Roku TV will be removed from our Roku account. So now you can give away your Roku TV or log in using a different account. If this video helped you out, make sure to share your feedback, drop a like, and if you want more from us, get subscribed.